Hello fellow plant enthusiasts, I'm Steven from Steve's Propagation Corner, and today we're back with another installment of The Foliage Files. Tired of your plants looking droopy and lifeless? Spring is the perfect time to hit the reset button and give them that extra boost they've been waiting for.
A chance for Mother Nature to start again.
In this video, I'm sharing my absolute favorite plant hacks to help your green companions not only bounce back, but thrive. So, if you're ready to bring some serious life back to your home or garden, stick around.
You will just have to find out.
Thank you for joining me. Let's get started. Every great plant starts with great soil. And in spring, refreshing your plant's growing medium is one of the best things you can do. Start by making sure that you're using the right soil. Different plants have different needs. Succulents like it fast draining, while tropical plants prefer moisture retaining mixes. Choosing the proper soil mix sets the stage for strong, healthy growth. Next, give your soil a supercharge by adding compost. Compost doesn't just feed your plants, it improves soil structure, supports microbial life, and helps retain moisture. You can mix it in while repotting or simply top dress your existing pots. And speaking of repotting, now is the perfect time. If your plants have outgrown their containers, look for signs like roots growing out of the bottom, compacted soil, or water rushing straight through. Gently loosen those roots, give them a slightly roomier home, and top it off with fresh soil to support that spring surge of growth.
Now let's gently loosen, tease, or tickle the roots, whatever you want to call it, but gently get the roots to come apart. You can try using a stick or get your hands dirty and just use your fingers until the entire root ball's free. Now all that's left to do is pot it up in a well-draining soil mix and give it some well-deserved water.
With the soil sorted out, let's move on to pruning. Because a good trim can work wonders this time of year. Start by removing any dead, brown, or damaged leaves and stems. This instantly tidies things up and redirects your plant's energy to fresh, healthy growth. Next, if you've got leggy or stressed out plants, pinch back the ends of those long stems. This encourages branching and bushier growth. So instead of tall and spindly, your plants become full and vibrant. And don't be afraid to shape your plants while you're at it. Use clean pruning shears to refine their form, keeping things balanced, open, and visually appealing. Just a few strategic snips can completely transform the look and health of your plant. Now that your plants are looking tidy, let's talk about what keeps them growing strong: fertilizer. Spring is go time for growth, and that means your plants are hungry. Start with a balanced fertilizer, something like a 10-10-10 or an all-purpose liquid formula. Apply it according to the instructions, but if you're unsure, go half strength. It's always safer to under-fertilize than to overdo it. And remember, different plants want different things. Flowering plants might need more phosphorus, while leafy greens love their nitrogen. Take time to understand your plant's unique needs and pick your fertilizer accordingly. Want a low maintenance option? Then try slow release fertilizers. These little pellets gradually dissolve over time, giving your plants steady nutrition for weeks or even months. No extra effort required. Watering might seem simple, but in spring, being intentional makes all the difference. First, always check the soil before watering. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it's dry, go ahead and water. If it still feels damp, wait a bit longer. And when you do water, go deep. A thorough soak encourages deep root growth, which makes your plant stronger and more drought tolerant. Avoid shallow, frequent watering, as it does more harm than good. And if life gets busy, as it often does, self-watering pots can be a total game changer. They deliver consistent moisture from below and help prevent overwatering.
What are you, commercial? Click.
Your plants stay happy and you stay stress-free. And finally, let's talk about keeping your plants healthy for the long haul. Spring doesn't just wake up your plants, but it also wakes up the pests and diseases too. So don't let them catch you off guard.
So you have to be hyper vigilant, okay?
Make a habit of checking your plants regularly for signs of trouble, like sticky leaves, webbing, or spots on the foliage. Catching issues early can make all the difference. And when problems pop up, natural solutions work wonders. Neem oil, insecticidal soap, or even just a good rinse can knock out most common pests like aphids or spider mites. And always test new treatments on a small area before going all in. And the best defense? Prevention. Keep your tools clean, avoid overwatering, and quarantine any new plants before adding them to your collection. These simple habits can save you and your plants a ton of headaches. And there you have it, folks, my favorite spring plant hacks to refresh, revive, and re-energize your green companions. Got a favorite spring plant hack of your own? I'd love to hear it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and or learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and for those who want to go the extra mile in supporting this mission, you can consider becoming a Patreon or a channel member by clicking the join button under this video or one of the links that are down there, and you can access exclusive content and perks. Thank you for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Remember, keep growing, keep thriving. See you in the next video. And that's it, I think.
She's really good.